Red, the in-flight shopping is available on today's flight. You can enjoy a $15 discount on 2 fragrances. Some exclusions do apply. Find out more about Emirates Red in the magazine in your seat pocket and ask a crew member if you need assistance. Ladies and gentlemen, you can browse through today's dining menu on the Emirates app. Simply open the app on your phone, select today's trip and go to food and beverages. You can also view the menu on the Wi-Fi folder without purchasing a Wi-Fi package. Connect to the online network and open a browser to see today's menu.